Keeping your Hyundai Verna's infotainment system updated ensures optimal performance with the latest features, maps, and bug fixes. USB updates involve downloading firmware from Hyundai's website or using a dealer-provided USB drive. You'll insert the drive into the car's USB port while parked and follow on-screen instructions. This method is reliable for offline updates and data integrity, especially for older models. OTA updates leverage your Verna's cellular connectivity via BlueLink. You'll receive notifications via the Hyundai app, approve the update, and let the system reboot. Ensure a stable internet connection for downloads ranging from 1 to 5 gigabytes. Wireless updates require a compatible BlueLink subscription and are primarily available on 2022 Plus Verna models. Check your Verna's VIN on Hyundai's portal to determine the appropriate update method. Maps are crucial for navigation and receive quarterly updates, often powered by Here We Go or integrated Google Maps via Android Auto. Regular map updates ensure accurate routing and include new points of interest like EV charging stations. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay offer seamless smartphone integration. Wireless connectivity is increasingly common on newer Verna trims 2023 Plus, requiring Android 11 Plus or iOS 14 Plus on your smartphone. Updates for these protocols are typically bundled with system firmware updates. Looking ahead, Hyundai is focusing on AI-enhanced updates and faster 5G downloads. By 2026, a majority of Verna systems, especially 2024 Plus models, will fully support OTA updates. Expect predictive updates that analyze driving patterns to suggest improvements. Always back up your personal data before any update and ensure your vehicle is parked. If issues arise, consult Hyundai's app or visit a dealership for diagnostics.